See what a mess it is. It's like a bomb hit it. Save these kind of containers. They can always be good if you want to put stuff in. I just come in here and then I just have to come in here and it starts looking like this. Heavy bite. I do have a place, a designated place for all these things. But when I take them out, when I'm working with them, I kind of forget to put them back in which is not very clever of me. So they're actually supposed to be in that cupboard over there. Paint. There is some method to this madness. Take out this bike. Middle console for the Land Rover. I was going to fix it and paint it because it's a wooden one, and yeah, I'll get around to doing that now, I'm hoping. There's so much here that's pretty old. I would imagine I would need to throw it. Actually, I can't keep hanging on to it. I don't know, I'm just not the neatest person in the world, huh? Tools up on the wall there, which is pretty good. But do I remember to put them back up? No, I don't. We're getting there, Tom. Oh man, this was the thing I was looking for. Yeah. You didn't tell me. Now we have that side that I have to do. Wow. These are really good. Gets it about this much off the ground, which helps when you're going to do an oil change or whatever, because otherwise it's impossible. Sandpaper. Man, how can one person have so many things? I just don't understand it. And all these little things, I seem to think that I might need them for something. I mean, come on. Sandpaper. Let me call those dogs. I can see he's misbehaving out there. Tusker, come here. I have so many things, like, you know, extras of stuff that I feel that I can't throw that because you never know when I might need it. And there are times when I've been looking around for something and I've realized, oh man, that must have been one of those things that I've actually got rid of because I decided that I didn't need it. What am I going to use that for? I think I'll just throw it. Might not be the best place for it, but for now, it can just be there. I definitely think it looks much better in here. And I don't think it's redistribution of filth. I've tried to put away what I can put away. But it's not easy sometimes, huh? I think I need good shelving and then it'll make it a lot easier. But I put most of the stuff back up there, which is good. What do you say, Tamo? Does it look good? And that looks a whole lot cleaner. Yeah, I think we're good. I've just taken the bike out for a ride. I've taken myself out for a ride. And I just thought to do an oil change. It's strange, it's in the summer, I'm like back to front, but in the summer I don't ride it. And then now when it starts getting a bit cooler and in the autumn, that's when I start riding the bike. A bit warped. I think I feel like I want to spend more time driving the Landy and going for short trips and expeditions together than to just be on the bike. So now I'm just going to do the oil filter. But it's a fun little bike actually. It's a 125. I mean, I'd gotten it because I thought that we were going to move to Portugal. And if we were living in Portugal, then I wouldn't need to take a license or take my license. But now that it doesn't look like we're going to Portugal, and not yet anyway, I think I do have to take a license here. Not do have to, I do have to. Right now I'm just riding around the farm area, and that should be okay. That shouldn't be a bigger problem. And there's a little filter. It's a cute little small one. I'm wearing gloves right now because it really is a bit hot after my ride. And you know, actually when I do ride, I prefer to be without a helmet or anything, and it just with tackies on and just feel the breeze and the freedom of it all. But being safe is, I suppose, is important, especially since one isn't 20 anymore. Probably better to be safe than sorry, I think. And this is the filter. That's how it looks. And that's the old one. Put the oil filter. Some more paper to wipe my hands.